Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So I have been so fortunate to be in the facilities management industry for well over 26 years. And it literally has changed my life. I've been able to build 3 going on 4 businesses, starting with the cleaning industry. It allowed me to literally change my life. But one of the things I noticed is that right now, beware of just starting a cleaning business just to start one. I truly believe this industry, which I realize is a $74 billion industry, but I want you to really hear me when I say, this is not for someone that just wants to do it as a side hustle. It's for if you really want to change your lives by doing commercial or government contracts. There's so much out there. It's unbelievable. But what I talk about being aware of is starting it just to do it and throw it all together, because you won't be able to, 1, scale your business this way, and 2, you're probably only going to get those like $1,000 contracts, which nothing wrong with it if that's all you want to grow to. But if you're really looking at scaling it up, then you want to look at having something more than just a side hustle when it comes to this type of industry. So what you want to be aware of is right now a lot of people are doing it. They know that the pandemic made individuals want cleaner homes, nursing homes, daycares, bowling alleys, anything you could think of. So people that never thought about cleaning got into this industry, and now a lot of times they actually lower the prices. They're throwing anything in there, throwing everything at it to see what works, what doesn't work. And for those of you that are professional, who are doing facilities management professionally, it can hurt you if you sound like them. If you market like them, then they're going to pay you prices like them. And what I mean by them are those individuals that had no interest before, but only wanted to get into it just to see if they could make some quick money, where there's others that have been in it for a long time, or have gotten into it recently, but are into it for a serious business, and they're looking forward to change their lives and to change the lives of others. So you want to beware of doing the get rich quick kind of janitorial, cleaning, maid service, sanitizing, disinfecting, and so on and so on and so on. Find something in the industry that you really love about it. You have to be 100% dedicated and focused to scaling your business to what I call 6 figures and beyond. Pow! Now, why do I choose 6 figures? I choose 6 figures because this industry, which like I said is a $74 billion industry, can definitely take you there. And you can do it starting out part-time, which I did. I was able to get started in Orlando, Florida in my 1-bedroom apartment, and I have since been able to reach well beyond 6 figures, and I'm so excited to share that with you. So my goal is to make sure that you understand, if you look at it as a serious business, as a serious entrepreneur, not a side hustle, it can change your life. And one of the things you can do is look at something in this industry that you can show value to your current and potential customers. Now, what do I mean about value? They want you to save them time or money. So if you're looking at doing something that's going to save your potential customers, employees, or their customers time or money, you're in there. The key is to market. Everything you do has to market where it leads them to understand that that is the purpose of you being with them and them being a customer of yours. That's right. You want to make sure they understand that you're there for the long haul, that you're not just offering something quick and easy to solve a problem that they feel is going to go away, but this is a long-term relationship, and this cleaning, what you're going to provide to them, is going to be more than just the cleaning, but the value of it. And the ways you can make sure you do that in your words, in your marketing, when you do your walkthrough, is back in the day, you could just say clean for health. That was the key word. That was like the coin phrase, cleaning for health. Well, everyone talks about cleaning for health. So that's not something you want to talk about just exclusively, is cleaning for health. Another thing you want to look at is, what else are you going to add to other than just the cleaning for health? So many people are doing the UV lights and making sure they're talking about sanitizing and disinfecting. And I've heard from potential customers that talk about they want more than just that. They want a company that they know after 3 months, 4 months, it's not going to be just like a quick, rich, let's throw it together kind of thing, but they're there for the long haul. So what you want to do is make sure you convey that. Give them great customer service. It's hard to find nowadays. They want to know that if anything happens, they can reach out to a manager, upper management staff member, or you as the owner of the company. They want to make sure that you have a great quality control inspection that you can let them see and you can verify and feel comfortable with. You've got control over your employees. The other big thing is they don't want to see a lot of employees coming and going and coming and going. So I always say, make sure you find one great person on your team, even if it's you right now, that's going to be the regular face that they see. Also, make sure that you have some type of way of monitoring on a regular basis that your employees are there or your subcontractors are there. You don't want to think they've shown up and they haven't. So there's a lot of software programs that are out there for that. And I always like to say, get out from behind your desk, go to your offices that are being cleaned and get to know your employees, get to know the potential cleaning customers and your current cleaning customers, because that's going to be the difference between these fly-by-night companies that come in just when it's the right time, when everyone's talking about cleaning. They're in and they're out, and like I said, a lot of them are driving the prices down, and you don't want that. If you've been doing this as a professional, then this is your business. You are the entrepreneur, you're the business owner, and it's really, really important that you stand out. So ways you can stand out, like I said, great customer service, having an outstanding team of frontline workers that they can see and feel comfortable with, making sure that you have continuity and quality cleaning. Also, you might want to look at doing something in the means of green cleaning or organic cleaning, or you can look at duct or some type of upholstery, something that's a little bit, like I said, more specialized. But above all, do not lower your prices to get a customer, because you will be lowering it and make it the lowest, and then you will not be able to stay in this industry. This is nothing new. They've lowered them in 2008, they lowered them in 2000, and probably well before that. I got started in 95, and I know when I came in, the prices were really, really good. And then I saw, like around 2000, they went down, and I stayed the course. And one of the ways I did that, and one of my favorite things I always do, is air quality control. I'm a big proponent of that. I've had sinus issues before. And I know if I go into a building and there's a lot of pollen and it's a lot of like pollen in the area, or let's say there's a lot of dust, my sinuses just go crazy. And I know I would have to call out a lot if I were working in that kind of industry and that kind of environment. So that's something you want to pay attention to, making sure that you give them a great value, that they pay for your knowledge and your time because you're the professional. And as long as you market that and you show that and you convey that, you will have no problems getting started right now when it's so much craziness with the pandemic and so much competition. Stay the course and you will be fine. Because trust me, by next year, a lot of the people that are in the industry now will know they won't even be around. They're only here for a quick dollar and they're not here for the duration. So if you're looking at making this something that is for generational wealth, then you know what I'd love for you to do. You can actually come to my free masterclass. It's going to be tomorrow, where I am going to talk about things you can do to stand out from all the other noise. And I'm going to show you doing that with government cleaning contracts, how not to do any bidding, how to actually win a contract with a zero bidding. That's what I'm going to focus on tomorrow. I'm going to show you what you need to do for market research, how to, of course, meet the basic requirements. And the most important thing is what agencies right now are looking for you, your cleaning company, where you can go beyond what I talk about, just the average contracts. You can look at getting to the 6 figures and beyond. Pow! And from doing that, who knows what you could do? You could start investing in so many other areas besides only doing your first company that you started, which could be the one we're talking about now, which is your facilities management type of industry. So I'm looking forward to seeing you. Make sure you look in the description, register, space is limited, bring your questions. I will have plenty of answers for you, and I promise you, I won't keep you on there that long. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.